Suppose you are running a business and you have a lot of products in your inventory. Now, instead of maintaining multiple Excel files to keep the records of your products in the inventory, wouldn't it be better that you could have an application that could keep the track of all the products in your inventory? Hi, I'm Gaurav from KnowHow Academy. So, to maintain our products, their quantities, and reorder level, we need an inventory management system. So, in order to build an inventory management system, you don't need very high coding skills. Now, moving further, let me tell you what you are going to learn in this video. In this video, we are going to create our inventory management application in PowerApps. Also, we will create a form to edit and add our products in our inventory management system. Then we will send notification for the products whose reorder level is less than their quantity. So first of all, here in my SharePoint site, I will create a new list. I will select the blank list and I will name it inventory and create. After that, I will add a column. First will be our text column. That will be product name. Then our category. So for that, I will take the column choice. I will name it category and let's take choices. First is our furniture. Second is our accessories. And third will be our electronics. After clicking save, we will create another column which will be of type number and it will be our quantity, and another number column for reorder level. Now we don't need this title column, so I will simply hide this column, and we need an ID column, so I will go to my column settings. In the show hide columns, I will select ID and apply. So our list is ready. Now we'll go to our PowerApps and here I will create a new blank application, create canvas app, and I will name it inventory management and create. Here in our screen 1, I want to display all my products here. So for that, first I will name it products and I will insert a rectangle and I will just copy it and paste again. Now I will take a text label. It will be our header. In the text, I will write all products or simply products. Font size, I will give it 21 and font weight, I will give it bold. Also, the color will be white. That's done. Now to display our records, I will take a vertical gallery here. Now I need to select my data source, so I will write SharePoint. I will select my SharePoint site. Then I will search my list, inventory, and after checking, I will connect it. And now our data source is connected successfully. After that, I will change the layout. I will simply take title. Now, before setting all the columns, I will add a sample value here. The product name, I will write chair. Category will be furniture. Quantity is 2. Reorder level 1 and save. After that, I will go to my app. Here in my data, I will simply refresh my list. Now instead of title, I will display product name, and I will give it a font size of 17. Now similarly, I will just copy this and paste here, and here will be our category, then our quantity, then our reorder value. So here now I will simply add the labels. So first is our name. The font size, I will give it 18. It will be semi bold. Similarly, here will be our category. Here our category, and this is our quantity. Next is our reorder level. I will simply increase the width and write reorder level. Now instead of product name, here will be reorder level, then our quantity, and in our category, which is a choice column, so I will write this item dot category dot value, and done. Now we need to create another screen for adding and editing our products. So I will click new screen, blank screen. Here I will name it product details. Again, I will take a rectangle and I will add the label product details, font size 21, font weight will be bold, and the color will be white. Now I will simply increase its size. After that, I will take a form and I will select my data. Now I will simply drag my form here. We don't need title, so in my tree view I will remove the title data card, and here I will add a button to save our form. I will edit the button text and write it submit. Also, I will get width a border radius of 100 and increase the button size by simply dragging. Now in the advanced, I will select on select, and here on submit I will write submit form, and in the bracket I will write form 1. After submitting the form, let me fix it again, form 1, and I will navigate back to my products screen. Also in my form on success, I will show a notification, notify product details saved successfully. And here the notification type will be .success and the duration will be 1000 ms. Done. Now in our form, if we are editing, we need to show our reference. So in the item, I will write lookup our list name, which is inventory, where id is equal to gallery 1 dot selected dot id. So here we have added our condition for editing. So how we can describe when we have to edit or add? So for that we will go to our products page, and here I will add an icon which will be add icon. Here I will name it add icon. The color will be white, and in the advanced property I will write set where form is equal to new, and then navigate to our product details. Similarly, here in the advanced I will write set where form edit and navigate to our product details. So we simply created a variable where form. Here in our arrow we have given the where form the string value of edit, and in the plus icon we have given it the value new. Now back to our product details. Here in the default mode I will take an if condition. If where form is equal to new, then form mode will be new, and when where form is equal to edit, then our form mode will also be edit. Also in our submit, after submitting I want to reset my form, and done. So here after submit form we have added another action, reset form. So when our form will be submitted, all these values will be reset. Now to check that we will preview it, but before that I will add a back icon here to navigate back to our screen. So here in my icon I will select on select, navigate to products, and done. The icon color will be white. Now I will simply go back, and here if I write reorder level 2 and click on submit, so here our data has been updated. Now I will add another product which will be eyeglasses. Category will be accessories, quantity will be 3, and reorder level will be 2, and submit. Also I will add another category which will be speaker. Category will be electronics, quantity will be 2, and reorder level will be 3, and submit. So here we have 3 products. Now I will add 2 more. Product name will be desk, furniture 4, 6, submit. Also I will add another bag, accessories 5, 3, and submit. So here we have added our 5 products. Now what if I want to filter my products? So for filtering we need a drop down. So I will simply write drop down. Here I will drag it here. Now here in my drop down, in my items, I have added my array accessories. Second I will write furniture, and third will be our electronics. Now in my gallery I will add a filter condition, filter inventory, comma, category dot value is equal to drop down 1 dot selected dot value. So after that we will preview it and check our filter condition. So when I select furniture, I am getting only furniture, and when I select electronics, I am getting electronics. Now similarly, if we want to add a search box, and here I will add another choice which will be all, and in my filter condition I will write if drop down 1 dot selected dot value equal to all, then inventory else filter. Now if I select all, I'm getting all the records here. Now similarly, if we want to add a search box here, so I will take a text input, I will keep it blank in the beginning, I will name it search box, and in my condition I will go here. First I will format it, then here I will write search below comma search box comma product name. I will search it by product name. Here this is an error because we need to add dot text. After formatting, I will preview it. Now when I search here bag, I'm getting bag. When I search eyeglasses, I'm getting eyeglasses. So here our search and filter are working perfectly. Now what if we want to display the total number of products here and the low stock products? So for that we will take text label, and here I will write total products, then add a hyphen. I will simply drag it here and I will duplicate it, paste, and below will be our low stock. Now after that we will take another text label, I will place it here, I will give them a font weight bold. Similarly this one will also be bold and this one will also be bold. Now here in my text I will write a formula to count the total number of records in our list. So here I will write count rows and it will be our inventory. Now simply we can see here we have our total product number. Now for low stock, suppose we want those products whose quantity are less than 3. So for that here I will simply copy it and paste below, and here in our count rows I will add a condition which will be filter condition. So I will write filter inventory comma quantity is less than 3. So now as you can see we have two products whose quantity are less than 3, which are two. First is our speaker and second is our chair. So this is how, with the help of our count rows and filter condition, so as you can see with the help of count rows we can see the total number of products, and adding the filter condition in our count rows we can calculate the low stock here. Also here are our filter conditions. Now what if we want to send a notification if our reorder level is greater than our quantity? So for that we will go to our Power Automate, and here I will create a new flow. I will select new automated cloud flow. I will write low stock notification, and here I will select the action when an item is created or modified. Now here I will select my SharePoint site. Then I will select my list here, which is inventory. This is the new designer. I am more used to the old one, so I will switch without saving. Here I will select the SharePoint site, and then I will select my list. So we have selected our action when an item is created or modified, and in the site address we have selected our site and the list name. Now we need to take a conditional action, so I will select control and condition, and in our condition I will write quantity. Here I will select is less than, and here I will write reorder level. Now if our condition is succeeded, I will select an action, send an email v2. In the to section I will select my own email. In the subject I will write the product name, low quantity stock of, and in the body I will write the product space product name of category. Then I will add space, then dynamic content category value has quantity below, then reorder level. After quantity I will select quantity, and after reorder level I will select reorder level. I will add a full stop. After that I will click save. So here our flow is added. Now we just need to test it in our application. Our chair has quantity 2 and reorder level 5, and we have got our email. The product chair of category furniture has quantity 2 below, then reorder level 5. And when I go to my flow, here our flow is succeeded successfully. So this is how we can send the notification where our product is below the reorder level. So in this video, we learned how to create an inventory management system in our PowerApps. We created a variable so that we could edit and add our product according to our requirement. Also, we created a notification flow so that when our product quantity is less than the reorder level, it will send us an email. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as your IT source. We are always there to help you navigate to the tech world. It's been a pleasure sharing this information with you. So stay curious and keep learning.